Baked Italian grinder stromboli. This is how I made it.
Thinly sliced iceberg lettuce. Then you just want to give it another little chop. You'll want to do the same with some Roma tomato. Same for a little red onion. Give that a little chop. Chop up a couple banana peppers. To my mixture, I'm going to add a little red wine vinegar. A little of this boar's head deli dressing. Good sprinkling of Parmesan cheese. Maybe 2, 3. Mix it up. Couple tablespoons Duke's mayo. Got this roll-out pizza dough. Lay out some mozzarella cheese slices, thinly sliced tavern ham, provolone cheese, salami, deli pepperoni, more mozzarella, and some jalapeno. Fold up the sides, trim the excess, fold over the top. Flip it over, cut a couple vent holes. I'll get this in my oven at 425 degrees on my pizza stone for 15 to 20 minutes. That's what you got. First things first, that grinder salad goes on top. Now you can dig in. I wasn't sure if this was going to turn out, but oh my goodness. This should be the new rage. All the rage.